access to a global pool of resources, with design inspirations and teachings from every corner of the world. You can collaborate with designers across the globe, learn from the best in the industry, and be exposed to diverse design cultures and philosophies. The future of design education painted by AI is indeed fascinating. It's a world where learning is personalized, feedback is immediate, and resources are limitless. However, despite all these potential benefits, a question remains. AI brings a lot to the table, but will it ever replace traditional design schools? The future of design education may not be a question of either or, but a blend of both. As we step into the future, we can envision a scenario where AI and traditional design education coexist and complement each other. The potential for a hybrid model is immense. Imagine a design curriculum that's tailored to individual students' learning style and pace, thanks to AI's adaptive learning algorithms. Yet the curriculum doesn't lose the human touch, with experienced design educators providing context, guiding discussions, and encouraging out-of-the-box thinking. AI can take on the heavy lifting of data analysis, identifying patterns and trends in the design industry that might otherwise go unnoticed. This could provide students with valuable insights into the evolution of design aesthetics and principles. At the same time, human mentors can help cultivate the emotional intelligence, cultural understanding, and ethical considerations that are so crucial in design. In this hybrid model, AI does not replace design schools but enhances them. It can help democratize design education, making it more accessible and personalized. The traditional design school, on the other hand, continues to offer the collaborative and inspiring environment that nurtures creativity and innovation. This balance creates a powerful synergy that could revolutionize design education. It's a partnership where AI and design schools work together, leveraging their respective strengths to equip students with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in the evolving design landscape. It seems the future of design education might not be a battle between AI and design schools, but a harmonious fusion of the two. So will AI replace design schools? The answer isn't black and white. It's clear that AI holds immense potential to enhance design education, offering personalized learning experiences and a wealth of resources. However, the human element of creativity, critical thinking, and mentorship remain irreplaceable. The marriage of technology and traditional teaching can create a powerful, innovative learning environment. Ultimately, the future of design education will be shaped by how we adapt and innovate with these emerging technologies. Only time will tell how this exciting chapter unfolds.